In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the LinkedIn You've Already Submitted a Request error. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's start with the basic step of logging in. Open your web browser of choice and navigate to linkedin.com. Once there, go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your LinkedIn homepage, where you can access all functionalities. Once you're logged in, we need to access your profile. Look towards the top menu bar where you'll find the Me icon, which is usually represented by your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that, and then select View Profile from the drop-down menu. This step is crucial as it ensures you're on the correct path to troubleshooting your issue. Next, we'll navigate to Help. Now, look for the More tab in the menu or search for the Help option. This will lead you to the LinkedIn Help Center. It's designed to assist users with various issues, so you're in the right spot. Inside the Help Center, we're going to submit a request regarding the error you're experiencing. Search for the Submit a Request button. This is typically found under the Account and Preferences section or sometimes at the bottom of various help articles. Clicking this will take you to the form you need. Now, you'll need to fill out the support form. Here, it's essential to provide accurate details about the error. Be specific. For instance, mention that you are encountering the LinkedIn You've Already Submitted a Request error. The more detail you include, the better equipped the support team will be to assist you swiftly. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields and provided a detailed explanation of your issue, go ahead and click the Submit button. This action will send your request directly to the LinkedIn support team, starting the process to resolve the error you're dealing with. After submitting your request, it's crucial to monitor for any updates. Make a habit of regularly checking your email and LinkedIn notifications. The support team will generally reach out to you through these channels with updates on your ticket. In summary, to fix the LinkedIn You've Already Submitted a Request error, log into your account, access your profile, navigate to the Help Center, submit your support request with detailed information, and keep an eye on your email for responses. Troubleshooting issues like this can sometimes feel daunting, but following these steps will help ensure you are taken care of and your issue is addressed promptly. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find this guide helpful in resolving your LinkedIn error. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and like this video if you found it useful.